Hi there, everyone. Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing again with another Canva tutorial video. And in this video, we're going to show you how to blur the background of one of your photos. So without further ado, let's get right into this. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Create a Design. And we're going to just pick one of these sizes right here. In this case, it really doesn't matter what size, because we're going to be picking a photo, and if you notice, these photos, they come in different sizes. So when you stretch them out, there's really, not a precise way of guessing how you're going to fit the photo inside of the canvas, right? So but what we're going to do first is we're going to go to uploads, and we're going to use one of the photos that I've uploaded already of myself. If you ever wanted an image to put to the voice of all these tutorials that you've been watching, well, here it is. Here's an image of me. And so what we're going to do is we're going to kind of resize the canvas to the size of this image. You can see the size of the image in the black box on the bottom right there. Okay. Resize it to 1601, 1201. So resize to 1601, 1201. And then we're going to resize it. And then that should be the exact dimension that we need for this image. Now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to blur the background and keep the subject clear. And the purpose of this is to, what this does, it helps accentuate the subject in the image, which is me. And so one of the best ways to do that is to blur the background. So but in Canva, there's no way to do that, to actually distinguish the subject from the background and just blur the background. So what we got to do is we have to extract the subject, which is me, from the image. And the way you do that is by duplicating the image. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove the background. Go to Effects and remove the background. And then what we're going to do is we're going to line up the image with the original image. And with Canva, it's almost click and drop. So there you go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lower this part right here so that we can click on the back image. And then we're going to go to Adjust. And then we're going to go to the Blur slider right here. And we can blur our image out. Right? And in my case, I just want to blur it a little bit. Make me stand out a little bit there. Right there. All right, so that's how you blur the image out. You can see this little mishap right here. I can fix that real easily by just sliding the top image over. Right? So there you go. That's how you blur the background and keep the subject of the image as an original. Okay, and so we're gonna try it again with a different photo. Let's just go ahead and remove these and pick this photo right here. And what we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna resize this image here to a certain size. We'll go with 936, 1248. 936, 936, 1248. And we're going to resize. And what that's going to do is that's, again, going to allow us to drop this image in there nicely. And then we're going to copy this image. And then we're going to remove the background. And again, we're going to line up the image, the cutout image, to the actual the original image, right? And so before we blur this background, what we're gonna do is, well, I'll just slide this up just to show you. Okay. So I'm gonna pick the back image, click on the adjust, go to the blur, and then we blur the background out just a little bit, just to differentiate her from the background. And then you can see, notice that this right here in the front, the grass in the front is still kind of showing, so it's kind of awkward. So we could just slide that up right there a little bit, maybe. Okay, but so you get the idea of blurring the background, making it different from the subject so that the subject is accentuated, and it kind of sticks out. That's the purpose of blurring, the background, so the subject, is accentuated. So that's how you do that. Hopefully this video was valuable and useful for you. If you liked the video, give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel so that the next time that we upload one of these awesome videos, you will get notified. So we thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.